Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So one of the other ways we can use ChatGPT is to increase our audience on various social media profiles, to write content that's more engaging and is more attractive, that can attract more crowd and that can get more reactions to the post. So let's see how we can use ChatGPT in order to get an attractive post. So let's assume I'm posting about a book on LinkedIn. So what you have to do here is to give criteria to ChatGPT and at the end ask this software what to do for you. So let's say I am uploading a children's story book to LinkedIn, and then you say I want to attract more customers. Next thing is the book has beautiful illustrations and small clear sentences for children. And you also say that the book is in English language, and you could say it has 30 pages. You can also add the story is about being an astronaut. What you want ChatGPT to do for you, you write it at the end. Write a post with hashtags for LinkedIn that is engaging and attractive, and enter. And you can see that it gives you all the information with 30 pages of engaging text and clear, concise language. So it talks about the language as well. Get you a copy today, and here are the hashtags as well. I hope this helps. So this part is our post. Now I would also want to write a similar post for Facebook. So you say write a similar post for Facebook, but make it sound more convincing. And let's see. Here again, you will get a sample post, attention on parents and educators. If you're looking for an exciting and educational children's book, look no further. Our newest release, The Adventure of an Astronaut, and things like that. Here are also these other parts for it. So again here, there are the hashtags available. And let's say that I want a title for this post. We can say suggest a few attractive titles for these posts. And you will get a list of titles that are attractive enough. So blast off into adventure with our new children's book. That's very interesting. Reach for the stars with our latest release. It's beautiful. It's actually amazing. As you can see, there are very attractive titles here. So you can also ask questions like, how can I get more engagement for the above posts. And it will shoot you some ways of telling you how you can increase engagement for these posts. So you have to use relevant and popular hashtags, which it has already done. Use eye-catching visuals. That's you can add links to videos or maybe a beautiful picture of the book or anything like that. Use engaging language, which the software has done for us. Ask for comments or feedback, and post at optimal times. So these are some interesting tips as well.